Puffy under eyes, dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles, all of that making us look older than we are because the skin around and under our eyes is very thin, especially under the lower lid, allowing capillaries to sort of show through, give that purple dark look. There's also a tendency for lymph drainage to happen just under the eye. All of this creating the perfect storm, making us look old and tired. Now, if you happen to be new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson. I'm a skincare expert, esthetician. I've been doing skincare with folks for 38 years, helping them find products that are going to work for them, not empty their wallet, and not do them more harm than good. So if that sounds like the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. All right, so let's talk much younger looking eyes and a couple of things I'm going to tell you to do that can make all the difference instantly. Well, there are 3 particular ingredients you should look for in skincare products for the eye that are going to help with this immediately and actually improve your skin over time. The first of which is hesperidin, which is an ingredient that actually helps lower the permeability of the capillaries underneath the eye and other areas of the skin, making them much less visible. Then dipeptide 2, which is a peptide that actually helps reduce the amount of water retention just around and under the eye, getting rid of those pockets of puffiness. Tetrapeptide number 3, which helps improve skin elasticity and firmness. Tetrapeptide number 3, which helps improve skin firmness, elasticity, and reduces inflammation. So if you're suffering from a lot of redness from, say, allergies or other skin conditions, this can be especially helpful around the eye area. And tetrapeptide number 7, which is a key ingredient that's been clinically tested and proven to reduce eye puffiness by up to 68% in just 1 month, 28 days. Also reducing capillary permeability or visibility underneath the eye by up to 25% in just 1 month. Now, the exciting news for me is in my own personal skincare line, my signature line, very small line, not at retail, we have an eye anti-puff product that contains these very ingredients in a natural botanical base, including CoQ10 and Japanese green tea. This helps to lighten and brighten the skin and even it out around the eye area, at the same time providing essential moisturization, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects. This cooling eye gel product is called Magic Eyes, something I do not go a day without using, morning and night. In fact, I use it whenever I feel like my eyes need a little bit of refreshing. It is super simple to use. You just apply this gel around the eye area before moisturizer or any cosmetics and allow it to absorb into the area like so. And you will actually instantly feel the cooling effect, the depuffing effect. You will feel the skin around the eye area begin to tighten, giving your eyes a more healthy, refreshed look. So if you've been dealing with puffiness, dark circles, the signs of aging around the eye skin, so while a gel like this is going to instantly improve the way your eyes look, and especially over time, there are also temporary tightening products you can apply while a product like this is working. One of my favorite products is Instatox. I talk about this on the channel all the time. It takes just a little dab and it's a super tightening ingredient made from clay that sinks down into the surface of the skin, works extremely well with these moisturizing eye gel type of products. You just apply a tiny bit and pat it in to the skin. You will actually feel it start to grab into the skin as it's absorbed. And you want to stop talking for a minute or two to let this product set up and tighten your skin, unlike I'm doing here in the video, but it's still working. As you can see, my own under eye area beginning to tighten up. So this gives you a 1-2 approach to really improving the way the area around your eyes look. Can take off as much as 10 to 20 years of the look of your face, and at the same time be treating those future signs of aging with a product like this one. Now, of course, I will put links down below in the video description box where you can find both these products. As always, with my own skincare formulas, there'll be a discount code to help you save money. If you use either one of these products, please come back to the video and let us know how they're working for you. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video I picked out for you next. Thank you for joining me today, watching and supporting my work. I appreciate you. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.